Welcome to Comrade Media. URI Coimbatore Assembly calls for the stoppage of Ukrainian war. The South India Sri Lanka Assembly, held at Coimbatore, India, asked for the immediate stoppage of the war between Russia and Ukraine. War is never an answer to any of the global issues, and it is a pity that the world's leaders don't understand this truth. The brutal attack on innocent people, including women and children, is to be condemned. The Assembly pleaded to the global leaders and the UN to intervene more effectively to find an amicable settlement for all issues involved in this conundrum. Over 80 delegates from different parts of the world attended the assembly, which unanimously passed this resolution, moved by Dr. Rajaram. The two-day conference was inaugurated by Dr. Kesivino Aram, Director of Shanti Ashram, Coimbatore, and Ms. Kiran Bali, Chairperson of URI Global Council, presided over the function. Global Trustees Devi Kandaji, Sri Lanka, Morgana Sindho, Netherlands, and Isaac Thomas, Qatar, spoke on the occasion. Dr. Abraham Karikam, Asia Secretary General, P.K. Ramachandran, South India Chairman, and Dr. Devi Raj, Co-Chairperson, South India, offered felicitations. Morgana Sindho gave the keynote address on climate justice. Renike Jacob and Grishma P. Raju offered responses. Ms. Kiran Bali and other trustees attended several pre-assembly meetings in Kerala and Tamil Nadu before joining the assembly. Reports from various cooperative circles were presented. United Religions Initiative, founded in conjunction with the Golden Jubilee of United Nations, is active in 112 countries of the world today.